Dear Prime Minister, Ministers, dear colleagues, it's really for me big pleasure and honor to come here to Croatia, to Zagreb, to sign this important agreement on safe loans. Really I value Prime Minister Andrej Plenković's experience and leadership of European scale, being really such a strong supporter of European developments, especially during those not easy times for all of us, when challenges and threats are very much visible. Russian war with Ukraine, now war in Iran, transatlantic partners which are looking into their new strategy and who are asking us to take primary responsibility on European conventional defense, and they will stay with secondary responsibility. All that creates an environment which demands from us a very strong strategic agenda in strengthening our security and defense. And safe loans is exactly expression of this European clear strategic development in moving ahead with our defense readiness. Safe loans are based on the basic value of European community, on European solidarity, and this is really what we can call unprecedented instrument. The first time when European community is creating such possibilities, financial possibilities, to invest into strengthening of our defense, in helping member states, assisting member states to implement their capability targets agreed with NATO. And Croatia here is showing clear leadership in taking responsibility on its own defense and at the same time on defense of the whole Europe. Responsibility for implementation of safe loans is very crucial. Croatia is really very inspiring example for other European member states, especially of what I would call similar size, being big but not the biggest, let's say so. Like, also I came from Lithuania, so I see here a lot of similarities in our geographical situation, being on different different parts of Europe, but nevertheless, playing very important role in taking care about European defense. And Croatia really is doing a lot of inspiring things domestically, like now introduced conscription, or really remarkable achievements with development of your Air Force. And Croatia is doing really very great job in taking care about or leading some very important European projects, what we call pan-European flagship projects, which now we are pushing into new stage of so-called European defense projects of common interest, and Croatia, with some other European Union member states, is leading in drone defense initiative, very important for all of us when we see what new war doctrines are, how they are looking like. I would not be able not to also praise Croatia and Prime Minister Plenković personally for long-term and steady support to Ukraine, which is definitely for us, for all of us, is crucial, because all of us understand that Ukraine is defending the whole Europe. And second, besides our support to Ukraine, we can learn a lot from Ukraine, from its very outstanding, innovative industrial developments. European defense architecture is based on collective defense principle. And security of each country depends also on how, not only how much the member states themselves are investing into their defense capabilities, but also how other member states are investing. And again, here Croatia is great, is a really inspiring example how to fulfill this responsibility for collective defense. A lot of things will demand our attention, not only from material point of view, from material defense readiness, but also from institutional defense readiness. The need will be to talk about European pillar of NATO, about Article 42.7, what I know that prime ministers are talking among themselves, and here will be other issues. And again, I am very, very happy and always very, very much applauding what Prime Minister Plenković is doing, not only for Croatia but for the whole European development, and also on bringing new ideas on institutional European development. So, thanks a lot again. Thanks to everybody. Thanks to Prime Minister, to ministers, and thanks also to our teams that we can today do very important job. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, Commissioner. A sada slijedi svečanost potpisivanja sporazuma o zajmu u okviru instrumenta Sigurnosna inicijativa za Europu SAFE između Europske unije i Republike Hrvatske. Pozivam predsjednika vlade, gospodina Andreja Plenkovića, zajedno s potpisnicima. Gospodin Ivan Anušić, potpredsjednik vlade i ministar obrane, gospodin Tomislav Ćorić, potpredsjednik vlade i ministar financija, i gospodin Andrius Kubilius, povjerenik Europske komisije za obranu i svemir. Hvala vam lijepa. To je to. Da. Evo, možemo sada napraviti jednu zajedničku fotografiju ovdje iza.
Yes.